Guys, it's your boy Uso Evil, and we're back with another one, man. I wanted you guys to join me on the Evo 3 Mirage startup. First startup of the season, going into spring. Snowing here and there, unfortunately, and it's April, Utah. What's going on, man? Anyways, we're going to do a startup video on here, but first we got to swap out the battery. It's dead, or I think it's too small. Not enough crank voltage. But come on, let's go. Let's get through it. Bruh. So mean and aggressive. Like that one sound on TikTok, bro. It's like every angle. Your boy's shining. Every angle. Anyways, let's check it out. We tried throwing the jumper pack on there and it still wasn't enough. This was the battery that came out of my single overhead cam Mirage. Look how small it is. I was hoping it would work, but it didn't. So let's go. Damn. There it is. Look at the scenes here. Anyways, this battery's too big for this little single overhead cam. And this car has been sitting for a long time when I found it. Look how fragile the plastic is. I just leaned on that. And same one here. If I tap on that, it'll break. It'll shatter, actually. That's the right word, shatter. But bro, like one day I'm gonna be working on cars and I'll have my own camera, man. And I'll be famous. I'll look back on these videos like, oh, fucks. So glad I stuck through that, man. Anyways. Interfooler. Got the Evo 10. Bro, the scenes here are immaculate. Alright, let's transfer these fuckers over. Oh, man. Come on, bro. Get on there, man. Excuse my camera skills, guys, man. I'm a trying man. Alright. It should just fire up. I mean, theoretically, huh? And this is the problem of having too many cars. Bro, what the hell? Kidding me? Okay, bro. So let's throw the jumper on there. I'm tripping, man. Cool. Fingers crossed. Take 20. Jeez. Oh, that sounds good. That sounds nice and mighty. Oh, okay. Jesus. This is finally beeping. We got full power. We know. Oh my goodness. There you go. The light's on. Not dying out. Not sure what was going on there. She's alive. Think, man. Oh, are you kidding me? Oh man, battery must be dead. So I'm actually trying to go to the JDM Heroes meet, but I guess I'll sit in the car instead of just trying to jump in there real quick and just feather it until it warms up, I guess. I think I'm gonna go back to stock mirror. Fucking eBay ones. Bro, what? She's alive, though. Barely. Gotta give her some throttle, man. There she is, guys. So we gotta pull her out. Then I gotta warm this one up and pull her out too. Oh, my oil pressure gauge is broken. Not good. There she goes. Got her open. Time to come outside and play, my baby. It's been a long time. So I'm just opening the door now. Little makeshift door my cousin built for me. You know, it's hard being the favorite cousin. But anyways, that's I gotta guys, but as the channel goes on, we will upgrade our stuff, you know. This is just the beginning phase, alright, so bear with me. I'd rather spend money on car parts than camera setup, because I know I need a tripod and then start learning on some editing stuff, but right now it's going to be point of view. So let's go. Oh, she sounds mean, man. It's a mean machine. I just gotta carry this one out. Here's some more of that beautiful Voltexness. Let's go, Uso Evo. Beautiful scene. Minute. Got the old school rolling windows. So this is what it's like. Sit in front row. Cool, we got it lined up to get out. It's pretty tight in here. I don't even know if you guys can hear me. Oh, we're unleashing the beasts. So I gotta look out for the Evo, then I gotta look out for the freaking mirror right there. Gotta try not to ride the clutch. Scenes here. Well, I can't wait to get outside and Evo Central. Man, this thing wakes up the whole neighborhood. Evo gang. And there she goes, guys. Excuse the Suburban in the background. Look at that. Ain't that a beautiful sight? Finally got her out, man. Need to take her to the car wash, but first I'll throw some coolant in there. Got a small leak. Oh man, she doesn't disappoint. That one compared to this one, we still got a 4G63 swap this one. There she is. Yours truly. Uso Evo. This one's already painted. Keeping the stock motor there till we're ready because I got some other projects I want to get done first. I still want to keep the motor in there, that way it's still mobile. I mean, it runs perfect. There's just no cat on it. And those wondering, it's an interfooler. It's not real, bro. But man, look at this. Enjoying the sunset with my babies. Alright, let's get to work. Alright guys, so that's the startup video for the Evo 3. I appreciate everybody who's been supporting me from the go, man. From family, friends, mostly my car friends. And everybody in New Zealand that's tapping in. I grew up there, man. I appreciate all of you guys. You know, South Auckland 275. Everybody around the world tapping in. So it means a lot, man. I appreciate you guys. I'm gonna do a maintenance check on the car right now. Get it ready for the JDM Heroes meet, and then I'm gonna let you guys go. And then before you guys go, on the next video, I'll give you guys a quick run through on the Voltix Evo, the modifications, what's done to it. It's got a lot of shit done to it. Beautiful car. Here's a little tease. Go. Cage. Gotta have the Samoan flag, you know. Yeah, there it is. So this one's a difficult one, so to start up, but we'll get that one on the next video. Thank you to everybody joining in on the fun. We appreciate you guys here at Uso Spec. It's your boy Uso Evo with another one. If you guys are local to Utah, guys, come on, hit me up. Let's go for a cruise. Let's link up. Let's do something, bro. Like something. But for now, you know, hope you guys are enjoying the content. If you are, comment down below. All my Evo owners, tap in, man. Your boy. It's your boy, man. Uso Evo. Oh my jeez. If you see me out and about, guys, say what's up. It's your boy, Uso Evo. Subscribe, follow, like, run it up.